Hello, friends. Welcome to Bankers Platform. So, friends, today we have come with a very important topic, that is how to prepare for certificate course in foreign exchange operation exam. So, many candidates are having a doubt how we should start, what should be the strategy. So, we have come with a new video, and in this video, we will be discussing the strategies that you can use for clearing this exam easily. So, certificate course in foreign exchange operation is a program that provides training in the area of foreign exchange operation. So, the course covers various aspects of foreign exchange operation, including currency, conversion, exchange rates, foreign exchange markets, and international trade finance. So, this course is designed for professionals who work in the banking and financial services industry, including those who work in international trade finance, corporate treasury, and Forex operation. It is also suitable for those who are interested in learning about foreign exchange operation as a career or for personal knowledge. So, mostly this course will be done by the candidates who are working in the foreign exchange department in various banks, whether it is public sector bank or it is a private bank. So mostly they will be doing. So you also may be one of them having a good experience of foreign exchange, but as a regulatory guideline. There is a regulatory guideline of RBI. So RBI having the guideline that the person who is working in foreign exchange department, he should have the certificate course in foreign exchange operation. So then only that person will be considered as an eligible person. If he is like passing the exam, then only that person is eligible for foreign exchange department seat. So mostly due to this regulatory guideline of RBI, this course is getting popular. And in promotion exam also, like if you're going for bank promotion exam or any interview, okay. So there also, if you're having this certificate, so this will help you in having a edge as compared to other students. So let's see what are the strategies that you have to use for this exam. Okay, so we have made some points. So these are the exam tips and tricks. So some of the tips and tricks that we will using first is understanding the basics. So this is very important that you should know the basics of foreign exchange. Without knowing the basic of foreign exchange, it is important that you should know basic. Okay, that include foreign exchange operation, currency conversion, exchange rate, imports and export guideline of RBI, DGFT, foreign trade rules. Okay, foreign trade policy 2023. So these are the main areas. These basic thing you should have the understanding. So आपको फ्रेंड्स अगर ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगी बेसिक चीजों की, फॉरेन एक्सचेंज की, ओके, ऑपरेशंस कैसे होते हैं, इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट कैसे होता है, ओके, इनवर्ड रेमिटेंस, आउटवर्ड रेमिटेंस जो बैंक्स में होते हैं वो किस तरह प्रोसेस होते हैं, डीलिंग रूम किस तरह काम करता है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड. And for myself, I would like to tell you that I am having more than 8 years, okay, more than 8 years of experience in foreign exchange department. And I have worked in this department handling imports, exports, and various other operations like investment abroad, okay, and investment in India. So, so many exposure is there. And I'm having a good experience of 8 years. And so I'm sharing my knowledge with you all of guys. So other part is that review key concept. So one thing is that you are giving the exam. Okay, you are giving the exam, that is one point, but the practical knowledge is very important. Okay, practical knowledge is very important for this. So if you don't have practical knowledge, don't worry. By our course, we are also having the course on foreign exchange exam. You all know. So that will also help you. By theoretically also you can clear the exam. But if you are having a practical knowledge, then you will be understanding the concepts very easily. Okay. So review key concept. So review key concept means these export credit, letter of credit, UCPDC guidelines. So these the key concepts are there which you should review. Okay. Use practice exam. So take practice exam to get a sense of the types of questions that may be asked in the exam. So this will help you to identify the area where you need more review and practice. So you need the practice exams. And IRBF is not sharing any question after the exam, but based on the memory recall questions. Okay. Memory recall question, which is shared by the students who are taking the exam. So we are making the videos on the memory recall questions, and those videos are also very helpful. And if you want to have a more advanced experience of the practice exam, so you can also join our mock test series on this certificate course in foreign exchange exam. In mock test series, you will be getting 800 plus questions. And I guarantee you, out of these 800 plus questions, 50% of the questions will be from our syllabus, because 50% of the questions in the exam are very easy, which will help you in clearing the exam, and rest 50% you need the concept and understanding of this topic, then you will be able to score 50 marks in this exam. So that practice exam is very important, and focus on important topics. So focus on important topics, that is case based questions, case study based. Case study based questions are so many asked in the exam related to LC, import, export. So if you know these case study based question how to solve, then you will be able to clear the exam very easily. Okay, latest rules on LRS, import, export rules. These are the very important topics. And stay up to date. Stay up to date with the latest news, trends in foreign exchange operation. That is very important, because so many new guidelines will be coming in the day to day. Okay, so that guidelines are required to be known. Seek help. If you're having trouble understanding a particular concept or topic, don't be afraid to seek help from your instructor or a tutor. So you can take the help of your instructor or tutor, and we are also here to help you. You can just drop your query in the comment section, and we will try to answer as soon as possible. So use study material. So you have to utilize the study material like textbook, online course, and videos to reinforce your understanding of the material. So in textbook, books are available that you can purchase from market. Online courses. So online courses are also available in the market. We are also providing the online courses. So wherever you find comfortable and easy, so that course you can join, and you can watch the videos which will be helpful for you. Okay, manage your time. So be sure to manage your time effectively so that you have enough time to review all the material before exam. So I will suggest, if you are having a, like suppose if you are having a practical knowledge, okay, if you are having a practical knowledge of foreign exchange dealings and operation, so I will suggest you that 1 month is enough for you to prepare. Okay, 1 month is enough. And if you're not having a like practical knowledge how you are working in foreign exchange, then you minimum need 2 month preparation to clear the exam. And we are having the course that is having 3 month validity. That course is having the 3 months validity, and in 3 month validity, it is designed in such a way that you will be able to do all the things within 3 months. And suppose by chance, unfortunately, if something happened that in first attempt you're not able to clear, so second attempt also you can give by using our study material, because within 3 month gap there two exams are available to opt. So in this way you have to manage your time. So it's not that exam is in second Saturday and you are starting your preparation from the first Saturday. So 1 week, within 1 week it is very difficult. Yes, but if you are having a practical knowledge, you can finish in 1 week also. So that depends on person to person. So stay calm on the exam day, that you have to stay calm and focused, and take breaths, read the questions carefully, and take your time answering. Reading the question carefully is very important, because the questions are made in such a way that you will be thinking that A is the answer. Okay, but answer will be B. Why? Because one point will be there like not, somewhere not. Okay, it complies. So some keywords are there which you have to read properly. Then only you will be able to answer perfectly. Okay, read the instruction. So read the instructions carefully and make sure you understand the format of the exam. So then only you can help to pace yourself and avoid any mistake. So next is how to pass. So how to pass in that, to summarize, there is nothing. There is no such thing as one size fits all study strategy. So everyone has a different learning ability and different level of experience. Okay. So the good news is that these essential certificate exam study tips are available to everyone. Okay. And tips are there, but everybody having a different mindset. So somebody would like to learn from the videos, somebody wants to study the books. Okay, somebody just want to attempt the mock test. They like to do mock test, and that's it. But mock test is very important, because suppose you're watching the videos, you're studying the book, but if you're not doing the mock test, then how you will get to know which area you are not able to perform well? So for that, you have to go for the mock test series, and then only you will be able to understand the real situation of exam. So here are some of the steps. That is, first know about your exam syllabus. So this already we have covered in one of the video. So here it is the detail, like the syllabus covers FEDAI rules and rules. What is the FEDAI rule and regulation? That also video is available in our playlist. You can go to that and you can just finish the playlist of this FEDAI rule and rules. Okay. So other is that foreign exchange rate, risk management, code of conduct, compliance, regulatory requirement, FEMA guideline for resident, non-resident, remittance facility under LRS. Okay, and other are like various foreign currency account in India, abroad, acquisition of asset, movable, immovable properties, how these things are working. Okay, C is regulatory requirement under FEMA. What are the requirements that all is required? Other than that, here, import of goods and services, external commercial borrowing. So these topics you should know. How export of goods is happening, what are the guidelines which are given by RBI. This is very important. Okay, and we have already made videos on import of goods and services and export of goods and services on the RBI circular. Full video is available on our channel. You can watch it. And other than that, documentary credit, letter of credit. This is very, very important. UCPDC guidelines. Okay, UCPDC guideline, how it will work in core terms. So these all are the important export finance. So these are the part of the syllabus that you have to cover. ECGC, foreign trade policy, and various policy issue with specific relevance to AD banks with latest update. So this you have to take care. And if you're taking our course, in that we are covering all the things, we are taking care how we can provide a good course to our candidates. Okay, and you should know about the exam format. What is the exam format? That is 2 hours duration, multiple choice questions, and questions will be 100 questions, and exam fee is 1000 plus GST. Just you see this is the exam fee, I think. And if any changes are happen, you can see. And exam language is English, and you have to score 50 and above. So if you score 50 also, then also you are pass. So this 50 marks is very important for you to get. And refer to the learning resources. So here are some resources that will help. That is books offered by FEDAI and IIBF. That books are available. RBI website is available. DGFT website is available, from where you can get so much data which will be helpful for you in clearing the exam. And other than these resources, we are also providing, as a bankers platform, we are providing the certificate course in foreign exchange exam and full course and plus mock test series. So this mock test series is also available, which you can use as a resource for your exam. So next is evaluate yourself with practice set. This also already we have discussed that you will have to practice. You have to practice the mock test that will help you. And final thought is that success in the certificate course in foreign exchange operation exam require a structured study plan, and that is consistent practice and a clear understanding of forex fundamental. And by following this guide, you can confidently prepare for and pass the exam, paving the way for a rewarding career in foreign exchange operation. So with this note, best of luck to all of you. I hope so this video is very helpful for you to understand the idea and the concept of this exam. So thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. So don't forget to like this video and put your comment if you're having any suggestion regarding our course or anything. That suggestion you can put, and you can share this video with your friends who are preparing for this exam and subscribe to our channel. So thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.